Hello guys, welcome to Coding with Hola, and today we're gonna start with a bubble sort, and I'll be showing you the code and explaining you exactly what the code means. So let's start. No, I don't like to make my video long. So basic stuff. So VS Code is already prompting it. So whatever you name, I mean whatever you name your program, right? So hello.java or test.java, whatever you name it, the class that you're gonna be using in that file should have the same name. So I have used bubblesort.java, so public class bubblesort. So you can't name it anything else. If you name anything else, you're gonna get an error. And every class should have this method. That is the main method, which we are going to type right now. Public static void main string no args. So I'm pretty sure you guys understood none of that. So public is the access specifier. So there are three types of access specifier. I mean four types. One is the default type. Other one is public. Other one is Java. I mean sorry, not Java. I mean protected. And the fourth one is private. So public is you can access anywhere. You can access in other file. You can access in subclass. You can access in a in a class that is not a subclass. So anything goes in public. Other one is default, so that are slightly less than public. You can access in subclass, but maybe not in other file. And other one is protected, that is you can access in subclass. And in private you can access only in the same class. You can't access in any other class, and that's it. So pretty simple, I guess. And the next one is static. So what static means is, so I in the previous video I told you guys that everything in Java is a class. So in static, what static method lets you do is you don't have to create an instance of the class. So usually how class works is you have to create an object of the class to use the methods inside the class. So what the keyword static does is you don't have to create an object of the class, and you can run it without creating an object of the class. So that's that. And void method. So how the void method works is void is just I mean void is not a method. Void is just type. So you can give int, you can give string, depends. It specifies what type you're going to return from this method. So that's that. And main is the name of this method. And string args is what we are going to use to what it's going to use to take commands from the command line. So that's it. And now we'll be writing the bubble sort code, and that'll be in the end of the video. Pretty short video, but I'm gonna make a few mistakes, and I want you guys to you know see what mistakes I make, and before I execute you guys have to comment it. Okay, let's see if you guys are able to spot those mistakes. So since I'm typing it, I already know what the mistakes are. Also, there will be a hack in this video. So now I'm sorting this ascending. Okay, how would I do the same if I wanted to do in descending order? So you guys can comment down that as well. So let's see if you can do it before I write the entirety of this code. Okay, please pardon me for the typos. Okay, so okay, I just forgot. Usually when you practice in lead code, they give you everything. So sometimes let's create a random array. Okay, this is good. Okay, so this is gonna throw me an error. Okay, I hope you guys know what the error is, so I'm gonna run it anyway. Okay, so this was one of the error. But the main error was minus 1. So if you guys don't know, if you declare an array of size 5, the 5 counting starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how 5, but when you give array.length, it's going to give you 5. So it is 5, but it starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to give minus 1. So that was a error. And I don't expect any more errors after this. So okay, we didn't. So it's sorted, but we didn't give print. So that was my error. Hope you guys, you know, noted that as well. So usually we have to in normal C++, all this, implicit declaration and other stuff that they come only with vector, right? Even this thing, we are printing you like this. This thing you can only do with vectors. Also, like if you're filling more items in the array, it automatically it doubles the size of the array. Something that only happens with vectors in C++. So that's something you guys have to note. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's sorted. So I asked you a question that how can you just, do the same with descending order? So all you have to do is just change the sign and yep, it's descending order. So yeah, I hope you guys got that right in the comment section. So if you guys got right, I'm gonna give you a like and thank you for watching this video. Leave a like, share this video, let your friends watch me make mistakes and have a good laugh. And thank you guys for watching.